This is a map of my hometown. First, we're going to start off at Mondock Park. This is a great park to catch a softball game, hang out with friends. And then we have the Susquehanna Woods, which is a great place to go for a hike or a walk on the trail. And then we have one of my favorite places to eat. It's called Simple Greek Cafe. Serves great Greek food. And then we have Corner Bakery, which is a Panera style of eating. It's very good. And then we have Sweet Taco, which has the best tacos I've ever had. And they serve donuts with their tacos. That's why they're called Sweet Taco. And then we have our Upper Moreland Public Library. This is where you go to get your books if you don't do online reading. Treasuretown Plaza, it has Greatest Pizza, Nick's Pizza, and a whole bunch of other things like grocery stores, automobile shops, and things like that. And then we have Abington Hospital, which I visit frequently whenever I get hurt, and Abington Emergency Physician Center. It's on the same campus as the hospital, but it is an entirely different building. And it's also a great place to find help. And that is my map. I have connected everything to each other and color-coded everything. So